see the blue one? You see the blue one? Ahorita change his diaper. It's so heavy. This is a little one. That's a little one. Are you okay, baby? You need help to open it? Oops. Raisins. Raisins.
Yummy.
Yummy, yummy. Nom, 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 nom.
Oh, Easter Bunny really thought of you. Brought you raisins and carrots and grapes. I just can't wait till we find the egg that has the broccoli and spinach in it.
The cauliflower.